Good morning, class 2. How are you all? So, today we are going to start with a new chapter. I hope all you have finished your previous chapter's work in your book and in your notebook. So, today we are going to start with a new chapter, and it is a poem. It is a poem of a little boy who is writing letter to someone. Now, you need to guess that who is he writing letter to, and you will get to know that how to write a letter as well. Alright. So let's start with the poem first. Writing a letter. I am writing a letter to send by the post. Now this little boy is saying that I am writing a letter. मैं letter लिख रहा हूँ to send by the post. मतलब I'll be sending this letter by the post. Now everyone knows how to send a letter. Letter कैसे send करते हैं? पोस्ट के थ्रू सेंड करते हैं. अब तो हम ईमेल भी करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल भी होती है. पहले क्या होता था, हम पोस्ट के थ्रू लेटर सेंड करते थे. अभी भी करते हैं, बहुत लोग करते हैं. सम पीपल डू दैट. सो वी पुट दैट लेटर इन द पोस्ट बॉक्स एंड देन that letter is sent to the person whose address is mentioned on the envelope and the person receives the letter. So I am writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. And this boy is writing a letter for the person for whom he cares for the most. मतलब जिसकी वो सबसे ज़्यादा केयर करता है. I write the date clearly and put the address. Now he has mentioned the date on the letter. That means whenever you are writing a letter, you need to mention the date, that on which date you have written the letter for the record, and put the address. एड्रेस भी पुट करना पड़ता है. एड्रेस मतलब आप जहाँ रहते हो, जहाँ आपने वो लेटर को भेजना है, उसका पता. ऑलराइट. सो आई राइट द डेट क्लियरली एंड पुट द एड्रेस. जहाँ लेटर भेजना है उसको वहाँ का एड्रेस उसने राइट कर दिया है. एंड बिगिन डियरेस्ट मम्मी. डिड एनीवन गेस? नाउ एंड देन ही रोट डियरेस्ट मम्मी. मतलब वो अपना लेटर किसको लिख रहा है? अपनी मदर को लिख रहा है. एंड बिगिन डियरेस्ट मम्मी. सबको समझ में आ गया ना? डिड एनीवन गेस टू whom he is writing the letter? He is writing the letter for his mummy. My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet. So he slowly he is writing a letter and all down the long sheet. बहुत लंबा लेटर लिखा है उसने. But I am so anxious to keep it all neat. Anxious means this child is worried. He is worried that his letter should be neat and clean. He should write it in a neat and clean handwriting so that her mother would be happy to see that. I turn the page over and goes on my pen. So he is writing a long letter. उसने एक पेज लिख लिया. Now he is turning the next page, और next page पे he is writing the letter again. Till lastly come kisses. There just room for 10. And in the end he gives 10 kisses for his mummy. There just room for 10. रूम मतलब स्पेस को बोलते हैं रूम. सो देयर जस्ट रूम फॉर 10. और उसने इतना लंबा लेटर लिखा कि सिर्फ 10 किसेस की जगह रह गई. द एनवेलप्स रेडी. आई पुट द स्टैम्प ऑन. एंड द एनवेलप इज रेडी, जिसमें उसने अपना लेटर पुट करके भेजा है. आई पुट द स्टैम्प ऑन एंड ही हैज़ पुट द स्टैम्प ऑन द लेटर, बिकॉज विदाउट द स्टैम्प लेटर कैनॉट बी सेंड. लेटर हैज़ टू हैव स्टैम्प ऑन इट. And run the post box, and now it has gone. And then he run to the post box. रेड कलर का पोस्ट बॉक्स देखा है ना आप सबने? उस पोस्ट बॉक्स में उसने लेटर डाल दिया और फिर वो लेटर वहाँ से गाड़ी में बैठ के चला गया. नाउ इट विल रीच टू हिज मदर. सो लेट्स रीड द पोएम वंस अगेन. आई एम राइटिंग अ लेटर टू सेंड बाय द पोस्ट. इट इज टू द पर्सन आई केयर फॉर द मोस्ट. द चाइल्ड इज राइटिंग अ लेटर टू द पर्सन he cared for the most, and he is sending the letter by the post. I write the date clearly and put the address and begin dearest mummy. Did anyone guess? First of all he wrote date on the letter, and then he put the address on which he has to send the letter, and then he wrote dearest mummy. He is addressing the letter to his mummy. My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet because I am so anxious to keep it all clean. He is writing a very long letter and he is writing it slowly, and he is worried to keep his letter very neat and clean. I turn the page over and on goes my pen. और वो लेटर लिखता जा रहा है, इज टर्निंग द पेजेस. Till lastly come kisses, there just room for 10, and in the end he gave 10 kisses to his mama. The envelope's ready, I put the stamp on, and he put that envelope and he put that letter in the envelope and उसने उस पर stamp भी लगा दिया, and run to the post box, and now it has gone. And then he put that letter in the post box, and the truck came, the post truck came, and it took the letter. Now it will send the letter to where? To his mummy. All right, this poem is written by Margaret G. Rhodes. This poem is written by Margaret G. Rhodes. She is the one who has written this poem, Margaret G. Rhodes. Now let's start with the what is the poet talking about? Dancing, writing, or singing? The poet is talking about writing. The poet is writing slowly because the poet wants to write neatly. Only 10 kisses can fit into the envelope. Complete these lines from the poem. To send by the post. देखो क्या लिखा है लाइन, to send by the post. यहाँ से देख के आपको complete करना है. To keep it all neat. Till lastly कहाँ है? Till lastly come kisses. I put the stamp on. So that's how you need to complete the lines from the poem. Now match the words in the two columns to get new words. Write them in the space provided. Here are few words given, here are few words given. You need to match the words and you need to make a new word. Now post के साथ हम man मिला देंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? Postman. Postman is the person who delivers the letters. Newspaper. Lunch time. Watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit. Tarboos. We eat it in the summers. Now make a thank you card for your mother. Write your own special message for your mother in it. Now you need to make a thank you card for your mother in this space, and then you need to write a special message for your mother, जो भी आप अपनी मम्मा को बोलना चाहते हो.